Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
So I don't know if this video is gonna catch it, but it's quite windy today. Now, I already don't like being on a ladder. I'm not a fan of any type of heights at all. So the idea of lifting up a solar panel up over my head like a sail is not really that appealing to me. So today what I'll work on is I already went to Home Depot. I picked up some box steel, and I'm going to cut that so that I can install the 4th stabilizer jack. And then I have a few more things on the inside of the trailer to be done. Like I painted the 2nd panel, so I'll reinstall that. That forward panel is going to have a USB charging port, and I'll plan on putting like a small shelf on there, and that's where I'll charge like my phone at night, stuff like that. So I gotta get that installed, and then I don't know, I guess at that point maybe start working on the bed frame. Maybe, I mean, if I can start getting the bunks put together, and then that'll be on that side of the trailer away from the window, so I don't have to really worry about it getting in the way. My plan was to make it where I could kind of take it in and out, so might do that. Might work on the ceiling. We'll see. So anyways, stay tuned.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Okay, so I've just cut my piece, and I added these angles here because what I'm going to do is through the L brackets that are on the trailer, these are going to sit up and in, and this gives me clearance to fit a nut and bolt combination without, you know, obviously my hands can fit in there. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just spray this with a quick coat of just black rattle can, just so gets off some of this area that might rust. And then I'll start drilling my holes, and then I'll go ahead and bolt this up, and then we'll end up bolting the jack to it, and should work perfectly fine. Alright, so go ahead and show you. Here's my new cross beam here. Got bolts up here. I don't know if that's gonna catch it or not. But anyways, so that's basically what the angle cut in here was for, though, so I could fit my hands in here to hold that. Yes, these are a little long. It's not going to hurt anything. But now I'm going to mount the stabilizer here. It's nice and solid. It's not fucking going anywhere. So, but it's basically going to do like that one over there. So, yeah, catch you up in a second. Okay, so there it is, 4th and final jack installed, nice and sturdy. Now the whole trailer's nice and sturdy. Again, a little overkill for something this small, but if I'm gonna be climbing up and down and, you know, throwing my son up on the bunk, last thing I want is this thing tipping over. So, but yeah, on to the next thing. Alright, time to test the USB. So go ahead and put back on our breaker. This line here. And I guess the fan decided that it's just going to close because I added power. I don't know. Anyways, so that's my wire. Again, just roughly ran up there. Back here. Obviously this will end up getting tucked up here somewhere, but I see a light on it. It's a good start, go ahead and plug that in. Come down here. And there you go. Charging. How about that? So, anyways, on to the next thing. Well, I went ahead and realized that I forgot to turn back on the camera. So I've got a few more things done. I have the ceiling mounted. I had it out back painted, drying. I also inserted the inside portion of the ceiling fan. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on, I forgot what it's called, the time lapse. Thank you. And you can see the next few things I'm doing, and then I'll come back and I will more of like dive into it after I get some more stuff done. But I'm gonna try to remember to turn the time lapse on right now. So. Okay, so this is where I'm basically caught up at. So again, wires are just loosely ran. They'll end up going behind that panel. Ceiling's installed. Come over here. The trim piece for this is now installed. And then I installed a light. So, and it will be red as well. I decided to not put these on a switch. My dad brought up it'd probably be easier just to leave them like this, and he's probably right. So, not quite sure what else I plan on doing today. The weather has, well, it's rolled in. It's not really bad. I don't think it's gonna rain, but it is dark. So I'm questioning if I need to get up on the roof and do the caulking around the vent. But I'm gonna play that one by ear. Yeah, this is basically it's coming along, you know. And then, like I said, the bunk beds will be right here. The bottom one will slide out, so it'll be half when it's just basically Ryder and I, or you know, or if I got a bunch of cargo and stuff. And then there'll be a window right here, and then yeah, that's basically kind of where it's going. And then, yeah, like I said, that solar controller is going to go here. Solar panels up top. Hopefully it'll be less windy tomorrow, because if it is windy tomorrow, I'll probably just still do it. I need to get the battery onto some solar, especially with me testing things. I normally just leave that broken loose, so it's not actually connected to anything to accidentally draw. But yeah, that's basically where we're at. So I think I'm done for the day. I will check in with you guys tomorrow, and this will all be part of episode 3, I'm thinking. So, all right, thanks for watching. Okay, so here we go today. Got the solar controller, our solar panels. These are flexible, as you can see. They will help mount to the curvature of the roof. I still have some screws that I'm going to mount into these, you know, screw holes, even though I'm going to put sealant underneath here to help keep it down. Our nice large solar controller. This is our pass-through, so that I can do a nice weather-tight seal to pass the power from the roof down and into the cab. But yeah, let's get going. So here we go. solar panels hooked up to the battery. Let's go ahead and pick this off now. Now that I'm done. But as you can see, currently inputting 8.78 amps from the solar panel. And then this shows that you can see the little meter going, so solar to battery, and then to load. Obviously we don't have a load, but it does that automatically. I've already adjusted it for, can you focus on that? I don't even know. Lithium ion battery, 12 volt, even though it's at 13.4, but that doesn't bother me. I think it's like up to 14, you're okay. But then you can cycle through a few more. I'll have to see about changing that to Fahrenheit. Let's see. So according to this, currently it says the battery is 100%. So this thing has charged pretty darn fast already. Even though it still shows that it's charging, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let it charge. But anyways, I need to run back to Home Depot to get one more thing of the caulking because I ran out. So that's all right though. But you can get the gist of it. 2 solar panels into 1 unit, and then I'll get up there with the self-leveling caulk to get on this after I get back from Home Depot, I think. But yeah, stay tuned and you'll see the rest. Alright everyone, that is it for me for this weekend. I think I'm pretty beat and I've gotten a lot accomplished. So as you can see here, solar charger is still charging, and like I said, that all electrical will look a lot better once I pull this wall off and route it behind it. But let's see, we've got 2 lights installed, a ceiling fan, USB charger, a lot of a mess, but I'll deal with that later. I just finished installing my ARB awning to the top of this. This is an awesome overlanding awning. I've used it on my car for the last few years. It works very well. Let's see, oh man, I'm staring right at the sun, so I can't even see what I'm looking at, but I'd say you should be able to see the roof vent and the solar panels. Those are all installed. And finally, the 4th stabilizer jack. So now all the jacks are installed. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you again for following along. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Share would be awesome. I would love to see someone randomly put my video on their page. I think that'd be super cool. But you know, those are long-term goals. So, but hey, this has been awesome. For the next video, depends on when I get some more time off. I still have to build the beds. I went and I picked up some carpet. They're just little tiles. They're self-stick tiles. They say they stain resistant. They already have the cushion built into them. I think this is going to be a very simple solution for the carpeting. I went and I also picked up a trim piece for when it meets the door, because obviously I want to try to make it as clean as possible, but I think that's going to work great. Obviously, again, the beds, I got to work on the bunks. I think that's pretty much it. But hey, thanks again. Looking forward to seeing you all later. All right, bye.